Hello students, welcome back to the retail management class. As you all aware that till now we finished 2 units. In the first unit actually we came to know what you mean by retail management. In the second unit we actually learned comprehensively how actually in India and as well as other nations the retail activities are taking place, like various formats, like supermarkets are there, hypermarkets are there, exclusive brand showrooms are there. Understand? So these are all various formats of the retailing. Today we are going to start third unit. So under third unit we are going to understand about retail marketing. You are already aware that what do you mean by marketing? Marketing is nothing but various activities generally the organizations perform to attract the customers or the consumers towards their product or service. Generally, we assume advertisement as what to call marketing, but that is one of the aspects of the marketing. Besides that, there are so many areas are there which will be assumed as under the part of the marketing. We learned exclusively all these things in your semester 1. And also here we already know about retail. What is retailing? Nothing but making the bulk into convenient form or the convenient size and selling the items. So then how do you define the retail marketing? So retail marketing is nothing but conveniently to reach the products to the hands of the customers. That means whenever a customer comes to a shop, whatever need arises, whatever product he asks for should be available in the shop, should be provided with that of the service. Overall way, in the retail marketing, you are going to understand how to serve the customer in a better way. Always remember that a satisfied customer is going to return to your business, is going to create positive impression. Mouth to mouth advertisement you called it. So without any payment is going to campaign positively about your business. It's all going to be few kinds of things which improves the retail business. So here, what is retail marketing? So retail marketing is the process of bringing a product directly to customers in retail store. When I go to a store and ask for a Maggi, if that product is not available, immediately as a customer, I look forward availability of any other shop, and there I go for purchasing the product. Either way, I am going to develop negativity towards that business outlet. Products are not available like that. So that is not the good sign of improving the business. So what is the retail marketing core functioning? When the customer comes to the shop, he should feel satisfied. That means indirectly the retail marketing, giving him that you should have appropriate knowledge among where actually your business activities are performing. The kind of needs generally expressed by the customers. Based upon that kind of stock one need to maintain. So it involves a planning, promotion and presentation of a product. Just like as usual, regular marketing activities. So under retail marketing also what you are doing, you are going to go for planning, promotional activities and as well as the presentation of the product. The four gold standards of retail marketing are product, price, place, and promotion. So, what to call this marketing mix? So, conveniently, effectively, whoever mixes these activities going to be greatly successful wherever what kind of business he takes up. Understand? Hence, the marketing mix is going to be highly sought after thing. The main purpose of retail marketing is to efficiently satisfy the needs of target market segment so as to build a sustainable competitive advantage. That is, whenever the customer wants for anything, that should be available the particular vertical area where actually he prefers to shop. So all this comes under what we call retail marketing. So you'll be observing there will be chain of what we call shops, but you will find only what we call rush in front of few shops only. The main reason would be what we call retail marketing. That particular shop wala knows very well the needs of that particular locality and the buying habits of what we call that particular customers, the psychological aspects. Based upon that, he will be maintaining the actually required stocks by the particular what we call the segment of the customers. So under retail marketing, we are going to understand how the retail marketing mix going to be happen. So under retail marketing mix, what you get again, product, price, place, and as well as the promotion. So if you want to improve your business, the mix of all these things are essential. The core of any retail marketing plan is a mix consisting of 4 P's. So product, price, place, promotion. Okay. The various communication devices are used to educate, inform, and generate awareness about the merchandise and the services offered by the retailer. These efforts also aim at building store image. So here what you come to know, this price, product, place, and promotion, this 4 P's mixing up should be done based upon the store's image. Okay, because sometimes what happens, a business unit of what you call meagerly invested, if he or she invests heavily in terms of, let us suppose, or promotion activities, what happens, it's not the wise way of doing the business. But highly established business units are there. They will be in a position to bear the expenditure whatever incurred by the promotion. So promotion activities means advertising through the print media, visual media, in the television, in the newspapers. So nowadays what is happening in terms of jingles also, you can listen in the FM radios, understand? Through the social media like Facebook is there, Twitter is there, YouTube is there, understand? It all depends upon the scale of the business. So this is what we call the presentation of the retail marketing mix in terms of the three structure, like product mix, price mix, place mix, and promotion mix. So what is a product mix? Every organization has a product mix that is made up of product lines. Let us take Tata. As you all know very well, the Tata company has got a very, what you called, strong goodwill as far as the Indian consumers are concerned. They have ventured into various different, what you call, businesses, like they do steel business, they produce beverages, they are in the tele services, and even they are what you call established software companies like Tata Consultancies. What you call, these are all product lines. So every company will have different product lines. What is a product line? in a product line, you will find variety kinds of the products in terms of length, in terms of breadth, and as well as in terms of what you call the depth also. So these are all going to be considered as a product mix. Appropriate product mix actually derives the what you call the course of action for the development of the organization. If any organization long together, stick to a one particular route, there will be less chance of what you call getting the success. So because this is the reason most of the companies, after getting success in one vertical, they want to divert into various areas, like Reliance is there, petrochemicals to what you call the telecommunications. Even this Reliance company entered into what you called the entertainment industry also. So the variety of products that a company produces or that a retailer stocks is known as a product line. So as far as the Tata company is concerned, the steel, the beverages, the tele services, and as well as the tele consultancy services, all considered as the product lines. So product line is nothing but the broad group of products intended for similar uses and having similar characteristics. The product mix is the set of all products offered for a sale by a company. Let us take one more example. Nestle is there. Different product lines are there, like milk products are there, chocolates are there, beverages are there, instant food items are there, Maggi, isn't it? So it refers to the length. So what is length here? The number of products in the product line. And also breadth. So the number of product lines that a company offers, and as well as the depth, the different varieties of product in the product line, and consistency with that of the demand. I mean to say the relationship between products in their final destination of product lines. What is the one more name for product mix? Sometimes it is also known as a product assortment. So this is product mix, different product lines are there, and again product types. What you call this is line, depth, and this width. The best examples are Amul. So under Amul, what are the variety types of products you find? Milk, ghee, butter, dahi. So like that under PepsiCo, what do you find? Like Tropicana. Under Microsoft, what do you find? MS Office, Windows, Xbox. Understand? So lines, width, breadth, isn't it? These are all important concepts should be understood. So what are the basic components of product mixer? Like services, packaging, brand, product item, and as well as the product line. So what are the strategies generally while development of the product mix? So launching new product from time to time, alteration of existing products, eliminate an entire line or reduce assortment within it, trading up, trading down. What do you mean trading up here? So generally what happens in a product, every time a new feature will be go on adding. What you call that? Trading up. Same way the opposite action is considered as trading down. And finally the product life cycle. Okay. So these are all various strategies. So under product mix. Now you go for the price mix. Actually, what do you know price mix? The price is nothing but the monetary value, whatever you pays for the attributes of the products or the features of the product. in exchange of the product to the what you called the businessman. The price mix. The price has always been one of the most important variables in retail buying decision. It is the factor which makes or mars a retail organization. So price is such a kind of quantity which actually requires, it improves the business, it enhances the size of the business, and sometimes what happens, it reverts also. Hence, while fixing the price of the product, one need to be very, very careful. It is also the easiest and quickest element to change. Pricing helps an organization to achieve its objectives. Purposefully, if you want to say, the price is nothing but which actually defines the objective of the organization. Generally, the price mix is going to be very, very important activity as far as new incumbents are there into the market. The products introduced with a high price also sometimes results into what we call unexpected business failure. Hence, the price is such an important factor, one needs to be very, very careful. For a customer, price is the main reason to visit a particular store. So as far as the price is concerned, most of the time the customer is going to have more conscious. Store visiting is required by a customer means most of the time they look forward those stores where actually they offer the products for cheaper price. So either way you can say that the price is such a kind of mix actually which attracts the footfall of the customers. It's not the wise way to put the price always what you called minimum, but the best way is nothing but offering the products for the lowest price with a responsible way. That means the lowest responsible price is the best right price. The difference between price and cost is the profit. As already discussed, price is a very, very important ingredient as far as the sales of the product is concerned, which cannot be decided in terms of isolation, which is linked with that of what we call the volume and as well as the sales. According to the doctrine of pricing of goods, the pricing of the product should be based upon supply and as well as the demand. The pricing should be of what we call profit oriented and should be accepted by the customers, government control and consumer oriented and as well as the competition oriented. And also should take care of what we call the stage of the product life cycle and as well as the competitor's strategy. So these are various components of price mix like organizational objectives, competition, cost and profit, credit terms, discount, fixed and variable costs, pricing options, pricing policies, proposed positioning strategies, target group and willingness to pay. The third factor under marketing mix is nothing but the place. Place means here where actually the product or service physically available. The selection of the place should be in such a manner that the customer should feel convenient to come to the shop and to purchase what we call the particular wanted kind of product or the service. So as far as the place is concerned, there are two major components. like marketing channels and as well as physical distributions. Finally, the success of marketing efforts to a large extent depends on the sound distribution network. And you will be observing sometimes after getting success in terms of the sales of the products, because of lack of appropriate supply chain, you may not be finding the products in the market. So because of that also what happens, the customers immediately thinks for other available alternatives. I mean to say he is going to switch to other products or other services. Hence the availability of the product is very very important, that too at an appropriate place. So what to call this? The place mix. So what are the physical distribution involved as far as the place mix is concerned, like transportation, warehousing, material handling, bulk packaging, etc. Following are the components of retail place mix, like distribution channels, intermediary, distance factors, inventory level, transportation, warehousing and storage. The final one is the promotion mix. So through this activity, the customers are coming to know about the product and as well as the services. So here one can have the combination of advertising, public relations, personal selling, sales promotion. As far as the small retailers are concerned, one needs to be cautious about the budget allocation as far as the promotion mix is concerned. The best